yen se se ade owura John Dramani Mahama one Ghana mampani a wotie konwa so na wo ba konwa mo ekobusumi mienu de msenkrofo nso eguje mpa wate committee a wo hwehwe aban nim anase wo hyebo so wo ba sika bi afa ba bi anase sika bi obi adi a amfa mra kwam nkrofo sase ankrofo agege no wo behwe na wage eye obi bia de ama na hwe sikasem no edi atutu ye ne ye hwehwe mu no na ya Markin Ofori Atta awadi sika do sopo banga hodro bebre gugu ye ewo Ghana nyina na tesisika omogigi efi bang ne ho nyina Markin Ofori Atta wamfa ba bia ono ankasa de kogu na account ma aye ono ankasa na japade ne ne madia wenti hwehwemu no kirem se na ewo se ye ne mu hwehwemu kakra investigation kakra na brabom na ehwe ba bia odi sika no edi afanu nti odede to kan agya sesi ade ye papa eye Markin Ofori Atta ye hwehwe ne ba bia ye hu na ode ne ho akan wira na nra parliament house trans no epa Afenyo Markin akyeremu edi gidie ato parliament se enche anase ending of this month no baby papa Markin Ofori Atta ehye bia ono Afenyo Markin obehwe se wode no ebebie abana ya ye ne mu hwehwemu bia Ghana for ye hia na ye pese yetie mayenko parliament emrasia
are giving assurances to the house that in the interests of democracy and the rule of law, and to assure the nation that this side of the House will do all it can to ensure that the member, the Honorable Markin Ofori Atta, avails himself to attend upon the OSP. Indeed, I pursued it, I engaged him extensively, and his lawyers, Mr. Speaker, in a letter dated today, the 18th of February 2025, have written to the OSP, and for the avoidance of doubt, I shall read the content aloud. It's addressed to the Special Prosecutor, our redirection to attend the Office of Special Prosecutor. It reads, we acknowledge receipt of your letter dated the 17th of February 2025. We respectfully indicate that our client's post-mark date for his return cannot be any time before 6 to 8 weeks after the possible surgical intervention in March stated in the Mayo Clinic letter. Our client hopes that, taking into account the surgery dated the 20th to 21st of March and recuperation period, he should be able to back to this jurisdiction between 14th May and 30th May 2025. We hope you find this date reasonable and same can guide your office in fixing a date for the in-person attendance of our client to your office for investigation. Having clarified the purpose and length of our client's absence, Leader, we hope that the tag of a Leader. Wanted...
I Markin Ofori Atta, ye twa wo den update bi Attention TV, ye de ba besom akra.